Tesla dashcam captures rear-end crash that makes Honda flip over. A 6 months pregnant Tesla Model 3 driver that was patiently waiting for a traffic light to go green at 4:30 a.m. after dropping off her husband at the airport was rear-ended by a Honda that swerved into her lane, less than a mile away from her home. The accident was recorded by the Tesla's integrated dashcam feature and shows the Honda slamming into the rear right of the Model 3 and then flipping on its roof before landing back on its wheels. The driver, Mala Arguello, didn't sustain any injuries and her baby was also fine, which is always a good thing. Cars can be scrapped or fixed, but human lives are much more important than a machine. However, not everything was good after the accident. As the video states, Mala passed the same Honda that rear-ended her Tesla just a couple of minutes before the accident and noticed that it had stopped right in the middle of the exit. Another Tesla driver who was coming from behind also noticed the stopped Honda and said that after it started driving again, it was swerving in and out of lanes before crashing into Mala's Model 3. However, after police officers arrived at the scene and reviewed the footage captured by the two Teslas, they decided to go with the Honda driver's argument that she had fallen asleep at the wheel. When pressed on why the police didn't conduct a real investigation that would have taken her and other key witnesses' statements into account, Mala got an answer from another police officer that their policy is to only conduct a DUI investigation if they smell alcohol, in cases where there are no fatalities. This is far from the first time when Tesla's built-in dashcam captured extreme accidents. Back in March, an EV made by the Elon Musk-led company recorded an insane crash on the highway that saw a Kia Soul take flight after it got hit by a runaway wheel from a pickup. Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.